In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect VT Markets to MetaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do once you have your account created inside VT Markets and you have the access to your dashboard, you can go to Home over here, and then you'll be able to see your accounts over here, so live and demo accounts. Now, you can select which one you want to use and then click on MT5 or MT4 over here, or in my instance, I'm just going to do this using a demo account, and I'm going to switch to MT5 or MT4 here. So this is completely up to you. If you don't have that account yet, click on open account, either live or demo, and then select either MT5 or MT4, so whichever you use. Of course, it's up to you. And then you have to choose an account type, standard or raw, and then you have to choose the currency as well. Over here, I'm going to choose USD, and then the leverage, I'm going to do the first one, and then the account balance, I'm going to do 100K. Then here, you want to click on submit, and your account is going to get created. And as you can see, then you will receive an email. It says that my additional demo account has been set up, and I will receive email with my login details shortly. Now, this is very important. Once you receive your login details, you can then go ahead and open up your either MT4 or MT5 on your computer. They are very similar, so I'm just going to showcase this using MT5. You can open it up, click on File, top left, open an account down here, and then you want to look for VT Markets, and then click on Find Your Company, and it should find these VT Markets over here. Click on Next, and then you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. Now, you'll receive your login credentials to your email, as we've seen earlier, so it's going to say MT5 or MT4 login, and the login is basically the first one over here. It's just a long number. You'll be able to see it in a second. There we go. And then you will also receive your password, which is this for me. There we go. And then the server is also going to be in there. And for me, it's just basically this one, the VT Markets demo. Okay. Now, when you have all of these three pasted in here and the correct ones, of course, click on Finish. And then, as you can see, I've just logged in and I'm now signed in to my VT Markets demo account up here inside the MT5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.